Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 5, Rational Numbers, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If x equals to 2 by 3 and y equals to 3 by 2, find the value of x plus y divided by x minus y. First solve this. X plus y means 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 equals to cross multiply. Then 4 plus 9 upon 6, that is 13 by 6. Similarly, x minus y equals to, do this, you will get minus 5 by 6. Now what we want? X plus y divided by x minus y. So 13 by 6 divided by minus 5 by 6. This division becomes multiplication and these numbers get reversed. So 13 by 6 into minus 6 by 5, right? Getting it? Then cancel this. It becomes minus 13 by 5. That is the answer. Next is simplify. 3 by 8 plus 7 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 8 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Now you have to solve this. Always follow BODMAS rule. First open the brackets, then remaining thing. So 3 by 8 plus, we'll regroup this. 8 8 same on one side, 2 2 on one side, 5 5 on one side. So 3 by 8 plus 9 by 8 plus 7 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now why this minus? Plus minus minus. Okay, so it becomes minus 3 by 2. Then this minus 3 by 5, why minus? Plus minus minus. So minus 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Okay. Now the denominators which are same can be added immediately. So 3 plus 9, 12 by 8 plus 4 by 2 plus 6 minus 3, 3 by 5. So it becomes 3 by 2. This division by 4, 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Now you can solve this definitely, 2 1 2 2, but it'll be, if you don't solve this and keep denominator as 2, you can solve it with this 3 by 2. So plus 4 by 2 plus 3 upon 5. Solve this. 3 plus 2 7 by 3 plus 4 7 by 2 plus 3 upon 5. Solve this now. 7 5 is 35 plus 3 to the 6 upon 5 to the 10. So 41 by 10. If the answer is in mixed fraction, convert this 10 4s and 1 as a single number in numerator. Okay. So 10 4 1 will be the answer. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.